Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your Airtable subscription step by step. I'll be walking you through this on the web interface. First, head to airtable.com and log in with the account that holds the subscription you want to cancel. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Airtable home screen showing all your workspaces. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the header. In the drop-down menu that appears, click Account. This opens your account overview page, where you'll see your account name, email, profile photo, and workspace settings sections. Now, under the workspace settings section, select the workspace you want to downgrade. Click on the workspace name to open its settings page. You'll see the workspace name at the top, along with collaborators, billing details, sharing restrictions, and usage summaries. Look for the workspace plan section on this page. Under that section, click the Change Plan button. This brings up the plan selection interface, showing all the available plan options: free, team, business, and so on. In the plan selection interface, click Choose Free and follow the on-screen flow to complete the downgrade. Once you finish those steps, head back to the Workspace Plans section in your workspace settings. You'll see the scheduled downgrade date listed there. A few important things to note. First, the downgrade won't happen immediately. You'll keep access to your current plan's features until the end of your billing cycle, and that's when the change kicks in. You'll also get an email confirmation sent to your account address. Second, if you own multiple paid workspaces, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. Airtable's billing is tied to individual workspaces, not your overall account, so downgrading one workspace doesn't affect the others. Third, downgrading doesn't delete your data, but if your base exceeds the free plan's limits for records or attachment storage, you won't be able to add new content until you reduce your usage. Your existing data stays accessible, though some features might become read-only. One last tip: if you upgraded by accident and you're on an annual plan, contact Airtable support within 14 days of your invoice for a possible courtesy refund. Just make sure you downgrade your workspace plan before requesting that refund. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.